Thank you for buying this folding table from Fixture Displays. The table comes into four parts: leg assembly, two crossbars, and make sure the hole faces the stem coming out from the hardware. The table size is 28 by 28 and height is 25 inches. The table height is not adjustable. The table weighs only 6 pounds and, as you can see, fairly easy to set up and put away. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. The table can hold up to 100 pounds static weight. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.